This motorhome is the Weinsberg CaraHome 650 DG, sorry, and this thing here is going to cost just under 78,000 euros. I don't know if you can see that, and that's because it's not very clear. I'll press this thing. It says technical details. Oh, it works. I was half expecting it not to work. But anyway, 7 meters long, 230 wide, 216. Height maximum 320. Height inner maximum height or standing height 200. So the maximum outer height is obviously this bit in the bed. It might seem like quite a lot of money to pay for a vehicle that looks as though it were built in 1978, but anyway, that's just a minor opinion. First thing I have to say, if you got one of these, it wouldn't necessarily come with this carpet. It would come with a floor looking like this, but it does make sense to actually have a protection on the floor when people are trooping in and out. Right, let's come to the very back. Widthwise bed. There's a ladder to get up to it, and the ladder is on the bed at present. Wasted space above in the form of these ledges when a clearly storage could have been actually put there. We also have got up there the 12 volt and a USB. In here, this is to the garage. Only I can't work out how it actually go. Oh, I won't force it. It's a Weinsberg. I'll probably break off in my hand. So if we come in here, we've got the shower. I know somebody's going to say, look at all that wood in the shower. This isn't real wood. I would hope that is waterproof. Although, once again, it is a Weinsberg, and so it mightn't be. Oh, let's have a look at the plug situation. 2 plugs, good. They're not domestic ones. Bad. I quite like this raised surface, so I'm going to give that a good. Although I haven't actually used them myself, so I don't know what the downsides might be. How does the shower work? You pull it out of here, and then you attach it up there. Once more, as it's a Weinsberg, don't want to pull it too far, just to be on the safe side. Particularly as I'm recording this, they'll know who broke it. Now, obviously, shower, you don't use a shower in a motorhome as you do at home. You've got to be very careful of the water. Weinsberg or not Weinsberg. Oh, I've just found out how this thing here opens. So, there you go. Storage in here and storage in there. And contrary to what I said earlier, it doesn't go through to the garage. Well, there's so many vans I sometimes forget. Oh, I see. You're supposed to push it like that. Oh, right. Okay. There you have it. Right. Oh, we've got a big thing here. What could this be? That's a great size. Oh, I like that. Whoa, oh, super. Yeah. If you for somebody like me who sort of, I need to have press things on occasionally. That's great. I like that. I'm not. What do you think about this not having handles on the doors? I think it's a good idea or a bad idea or a completely pointless idea. There we go. Fridge opens both ways. Freezer opens both ways. Why is there a bench there? Isn't that daft? Well, not if you're going to make a bed out of this position. It isn't. So you've got a 1 or 2, I think, in the back. 2 here and 2 up there. So you get 6 people in a 7 meter long van. So that's when you see a bench in a van like that. It's normally you can make a bed in it. Not always, but usually. Right, so this one doesn't work. This one's got a different set of storage. The in here is pretty large. But you have to actually get a hold of it from the rear. And so that'll be the same. It doesn't, it's got a shelf in it. I'm sure you get a shelf for that one as well if you want one. As an option, you can get a lithium ion battery. Strongly recommend that one, but don't buy it off Weinsberg. Get it yourself, and it'll work out a lot cheaper, and you probably get a better one. And smart TV as well as an option. It needs to be pointed out, many domestic kit does not work in motor. It doesn't work very well in motor. Motorhomes need special things. So it goes for TVs and fridges and all sorts of things, because there has to be some form of suspension on it, so that's why they cost more. Now this thing here, it says Sylvie ready. Sylvie is I'm going to show you. Oh no, I can't show you, it's on here. Where's the Sylvie ready? Right, Sylvie is a form of storing glasses, and it's got a magnet on the bottom of the glass, and it's got a magnet. You place a magnet somewhere, and then you put the glass upside down. I did a video of it from their manufacturing plant in southeastern Germany, and very close to where Knaus is, and so you can see that. So it's very clever. It's a very clever system. Okay, so it says here there's a soft close. Let's see. Yep, that's definitely soft close. But I'm a hard case, so I'd want the hard close. So that's that's a head-up display. You know what? I don't know what that means. Right. So, and here they've got windows at either side and skylight up there. Yeah, that should be all right. And this here should lift up, and it doesn't. You know, it certainly doesn't. And so the head-up display, that isn't pushing the bed up. Yeah, you know, I think the bed should go up because it gives more space below. That's my opinion. Others may think differently. And let's see if this space up here has been used. Now, wasted space again. Although I suppose you could say that if you're in bed up there, you can sort of leave your mobile phone and other stuff in that space up there whilst you're asleep. It wouldn't surprise me if there were no USB up there to actually charge it from. Right, good. So I think you've got my... Oh, we've got a bit of space up here as well, which not much of a ledge on that. Effectively, it's wasted. Okay, good. So there you have this vehicle here. And oh, we haven't seen this yet. Hey, isn't that good? We've got a great sized garage. We've got doors, proper sized doors on both sides. Got lots of storage. We've got lashing straps. Got a bike thing on the back. And there, so the bit at the end is sort of regained some points. Right, it says super light. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the weight of the thing, but I'm going to assume it is super light if it says it's super light. And personally, I don't think Weinsberg is a particularly good company, and I mean it's part of the Knaus group, and so I really honestly could not recommend it at all. But I do want to show you what's available. Oh, I also noticed these. You've got these easy to break in windows, so as well. So anyway, there you have it. There's my honest opinion, which is not the sort of stuff that you'll hear from most people. So thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.